Alrighty, I just wanted to show you, we're going to give you a stateroom tour here of our room, D135, and I just wanted to let you know that we have tested it out, and it's about when you're about 6 feet away, right in that range is when the door will unlock. So, oh dear, and I waited too long. So if you wait too long and it says locked, you just have to touch your medallion up here. See, then it figured out it's me. So we just have the standard balcony cabin. It's just the same as last time. I did want to point out that on the back of every stateroom door, it tells you where your muster station is. So see, there's A, which happens to be the Princess Theater. And actually, we just went and got our muster taken care of. So let me show you. First of all, it's just a really nice room. We're really pleased with this. So you just come in, we just came in the door, and here they've got a nice closet. They give you lots of hangers, which is so nice. If you need more, you can always ask your steward. And then there's this nice cabinet here with lots of shelves. And then there's the safe. So let me go ahead and close the closet here with that. And then they provide you with 2 robes. There's a nice storage space up here if you need. And then here is the restroom, the bathroom. We've got, oh, somebody was super nice and gave us 2 of the Lotus Spa lotions. I love that lotion. That's really nice. And then here's the shower. I wouldn't say it's a huge shower, but it's just fine. It's plenty big. So just your normal shower. I like how they have the ledge. It's kind of handy. Put your shampoo on and everything. So yeah, just there's the restroom. And you know what I really do like is they have a really nice mirror here with really nice lighting. Works very nice. So let's close the door. And then there's a nightstand with 2 drawers on each side. And then I wanted to show everyone, I don't think I did such a good job of showing you last time. They do give you a blow dryer. It's kind of a small one, but if you just need a little blow dryer, this is just perfect. And so I just wanted to let you know, I always bring my own blow dryer, but that is there if you need it. And then there's 2 more drawers. And there's the remote. It's a nice television there. And then there's the water that we got. And here's the refrigerator right here. So I just wanted to show you that. There's some nice little shelves right there to put extra things that you've got. And then stepping outside, here's our balcony. It comes with 2 chairs and a table. So that's really nice. And look at this beautiful view today. This is the Port of Los Angeles. Just wanted to show you that. So this is a really good sized balcony. It'll be just lovely to sit on, to look around, to enjoy. And then I wanted to let you know, my husband's already hooking the computer up to the Medallion net and doing everything we need to do. But I just wanted to let you know, this is a great room. It's a great size room. I think that of course they have some bigger rooms, but I think this is awesome. This is always plenty of space for us. There's only 2 of us and it works out really nice. So I just wanted to let you know. And another thing that I want to point out is there's this really nice mirror right here, so you can always make sure that you look nice before you leave. So I just wanted to show you that. And so there's our room tour.